Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is my wash day routine. After 2 weeks of making my new braids, I have not washed it, so I want to wash it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is a prepoo, and the prepoo of choice for today is apple cider vinegar prepoo. Okay, so this is amazing to help you to remove buildups. It helps to stop and strengthens your hair, like stop hair loss, and it's also going to help you to strengthen your hair. So for the measurement, this is my spray bottle, okay, application bottle. So I added the apple cider vinegar in a particular line, then I'll just add water, okay, in another particular line. So I did not make this apple cider vinegar very strong, okay. So this is what I'm going to be using as my prepoo for today's video. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. And one thing about apple cider vinegar is that when you have buildups on your hair, it helps to clarify your scalp, okay, and remove build up. So I'm just going to be spraying this on my hair. This is 2 weeks growth, okay, of carrying this braid. All right, 2 weeks of carrying this braid. I have not washed it, so I decided to wash it today. So I'm just going to put this apple cider vinegar all over my hair, and I'm going to massage. After massaging, I will wear my cap, like my hair cap. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so I'm going to wear my hair cap to allow this to sit on my hair for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, see the coils, like the coils are just popping. That is one thing about apple cider vinegar. It always pop out your coils on your hair. I love this. Okay, so this is another routine I will try to incorporate in this our 2 months journey. Okay, so this is my hair right now, and I am loving the feeling of the hair. Like my hair is really growing. This mini braids challenge is doing amazing for my hair growth. So I'm just going to wear my polythene bag, and I will leave this to sit on my hair for 30 to 45 minutes. So after that, I'm going to be washing my hair with a moisturizing shampoo. Okay, so this is what I'm using to wash my hair. And after I washed my hair, I rinsed it out, and I love the after feeling of my hair. So this is my hair right now. The after feeling is so amazing. Like every buildups I have on my hair has really gone out. So I am loving the feeling. Like my hair felt super open. So for my deep condition, I'm using this deep condition. A full recipe is going to come out. This is a moisturizing deep condition. Okay, so this is super moisturizing. Like for the guys, this deep condition, you want to try it on your hair. And this is my first time doing this, and I love it, and I'm going to add it to my hair care routine. Yes, this is my first time doing this deep condition, and I'm going to be adding to my hair care routine because the after feeling I got on my hair was so marvelous. Okay, so I'm going to be applying this on my hair, and the deep condition is oatmeal and banana. All right, so this is the deep condition I use for today. It's left my hair feeling super moisturized. Like the second day, because you guys know, if I wash my hair today, then tomorrow I will now put my teas and the rest. So the next day after my wash day routine, my hair was so soft. It was so moisturized. Like I was like, where have I been? Like what did not make my brain to remember oatmeal and banana together to do as a deep condition? Like where was I? So this is me after I am done applying everything. Like I literally use all of this on my hair. After that, I let it sit on my hair for like 30 to 1 hour. Okay, then this is the rinse out of it. Like, yo guys, can you see that? Can you see the hair? The hair is giving vibes upon vibes. The bounciness is giving. Okay, so this is my hair right now. I love the feeling of my hair. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Please hit on the subscribe button to officially join the family. And oh guys, thank you all so much for 2K subscribers. Yay! I am so happy for the journey so far. Like, you guys are the best. Thank you all so much. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Share your beautiful comments. So this is the next day. I did a aloe vera challenge. Okay, it's in the channel. Do watch, check it out. Okay, that is really amazing. Aloe vera is really good for hair growth. So I have been putting this on my hair. I did that for like 7 days. So after the 7 days, I continue doing that on my hair, and I love the after feeling of applying aloe vera. The only downside I don't like about aloe vera is that itchiness. Okay, the urge to itch, but I restrain myself not to itch. All right, so I'm going to be applying this all over my hair before I go in with my tea. So this week tea choice is onions. Yes guys, onions. It has amazing benefit for hair growth. It strengthens your hair. Onions has a lot of natural sulfur. Okay, sulfur helps in promoting hair growth. So this week is a leave-in spray using onions. I'm going to be dropping a full video about it in the channel, so please subscribe and put your notification so that you don't miss out on that particular recipe. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and I did not put any MSM inside. You know, MSM has sulfur, so putting an extra sulfur is, I feel, is harsh. Yeah, so that is why I did not put MSM inside this particular onion juice. So after that, I fell in my remaining routine, and this is my okra gel. All right, so these 2 months I will be using okra gel as my leave-in hydrating condition. Okay, because after applying the okra, I still go in with product leave-in, which is from Cantu. All right, so does it smell? My hair is not smelling. So in case you feel my hair will be smelling with all these natural things I am putting on my hair is not smelling, guys. All right, so after applying the okra gel on my hair, I'm going in with the rest of my routine, which is butter, oils, and yeah, I'll style my hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The next step is to use my Champia 2000 to apply it on my hair. This is my hair grease. Okay, this has been doing awesome to my hair. I'm not go back. If this batch finished, I'll get a new one. Yeah, so this Champia 2000 is a must try for natural hair. Yeah, the smell is strong, but it's worth it. Okay, so after application about the Champia 2000, I will go in with my shea butter. Okay, this shea butter I did is a moringa shea butter. Okay, it's really soft. It's so good. Okay, so I am going to be doing this not on my face, this massaging technique throughout this 2 months journey. Okay, so massaging my hair for 1 minute every day. All right, massaging my hair for 1 minute every day, and I hope and I pray it helps in promoting my hair growth, because Google and research shows that when you massage your scalp, it helps in promoting blood circulation, which intends to promote hair growth. So I just hope it works. Okay, so practice makes perfect, right? Or consistency is the key, right? So I'll try to be consistent in this massaging technique. So my loves, I am done with my hair. This is what my hair looks like after everything. Okay, see the growth is giving, like it. My hair has reached my chin. So this is my hair growth right now. I love it. If you've not tried mini braid challenge, please do well to jump on it. Okay, your hair is going to benefit, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.